Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today I'm going to do a demonstration how I check the power on my Hayward pool heater to verify that I was getting 24 volts to the gas valve. This morning I received a comment on my YouTube channel with a request for a video that would show how I physically checked if I had voltage on my Hayward pool heater gas valve. So here is a short video demonstration of how I was able to check to see if I had 24 volts at the Hayward pool heater gas valve. So it is late September here in Michigan and my pool has already been closed for the winter. So my demonstration will be how I did it, but there will be no actual voltage at the pool heater trying to start up. Just a demonstration of how I did the voltage check. First, we are going to make sure we check how the wires were located on the gas valve before we get started. Next, we are going to remove the wires from the gas valve. Then, somewhat carefully, we are going to put our meter leads into the white wire and the black wire at the stay-con wire connectors. Next, we are going to turn the unit on at the control panel and let the unit go through its pre-purge cycle. Then we are going to turn the meter on. After the unit goes through its pre-purge cycle, it will attempt to light the burner. During that attempt, you should see 24 volts on your meter for about 1 second. Once the unit sees that there is no ignition, it will turn off the ignition cycle and then try to start again. Once you have verified that you have power to the gas valve or don't have power, reconnect the two wires on the gas valve, making sure that you have a good wire connection. Another way you can try to verify if the gas valve is getting 24 volts from the control board is to put your hand around the gas valve solenoid to see if you can feel the solenoid pulling in. My Hayward pool heater was less than 2 years old when the gas valve failed, so I was very surprised that the gas valve was the problem. Luckily, the pool supply house had 2 in stock. That told me that the gas valve on the Hayward pool heaters may have been a common problem. I recently spoke to the pool supply manager, and she told me that she has not noticed a problem with the gas valve recently. So if Hayward did have a problem with the gas valves, it looks like it has been corrected. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.